So this is the part they don't tell you about with the crochet, with the curly crochet. When you wash it, some of it, especially the hair at the nape, can become extremely matted. So you may have to start off with a small tooth comb if it's really ratted and matted, because the threads can break. I've broken a thread or two in my day wearing these this summer. So guys, it's been a few weeks that I've had this install in, and I wanted to show you how I care for my hair and this hair together. So I use this detangling hair milk on my hair, and when I rinse out this hair, the extensions, I don't rinse the conditioner out 100% because it locks the curls in without them being super voluminous. Now if you like big hair, you don't have to leave your conditioner in to act as a leave-in for you. I also take care of my scalp. There's enough parting spaces in my install to where I can go throughout my scalp and, well, my scalp. And this is what I use, the oars. Okay, love, so I've oiled my whole scalp, applying a little bit of mousse. It's called Melt and Slay. Put that on my hair to try to lock in the curls. And I'll do one section and work my way up towards the front, and then I use this on this hair, just really lightly to detangle it and to, you know, it acts as a leave-in. Because the hair back here that's rubbing up against my nape or what have you, it gets really tangled. And this is the process I go through each week when I wash it. I wash it once a week. Yeah, this is all I have to do. A little leave-in, very light. If you put too much, it's going to make the hair hard. I like for it to stay soft, and I like for it to be able to fluff up and just define the curls. One way to reduce how much product you use on your hair is keep your spray bottle, a continuous mist spray bottle on hand, so that you can keep the hair damp, so that you're not having to over apply product to get the hair back wet or moisturized, and it makes the detangling process slightly easier. In my opinion, because the product just glides down. There we go. Voila. Okay guys, so I'm to the next layer of hair, and just so you know that all the hair is not going to be super tangled like that, like the bottom, I just wanted you guys to see that it's just the nape. The nape is crazy. The nape is crazy work. So I know you're saying, sis, how are you gonna blend that leave out? This leave out is not leave outing. It's not matching what's going on in the back. Let me show you. So for every one hair type, you have to do what works for you, but you know what you put in your hair that makes your hair to curl and define. I use this Let's Jam and this Edge Lux combo. Stay tuned. So I go in very small sections, because if you try to go in larger sections, this method does not work well. So first I apply some of the jam. I've already gone through my scalp with the oar, so I don't need to do that again. So I do that. You see that happens immediately. But it won't stay that way, because as soon as humidity hits it, you know jam will run and have you looking like a runaway Hebrew slave. So then I go over that with the Braid Lux Edge Gel. Then you're like, okay, well now it's straight. It won't stay that way. Then you just wet it. And somebody might say this is a lot, but you're only doing this once a week. You're shingling, and then you're waiting for it to curl up. And that's all I do. I just wanted to come on here to show you guys what I do to get the leave out to be blended with the other hair. And I know you guys are probably like, well, your hair is shorter. Well, if I wear my hair down in the middle part, that hair covers it. You won't see it anyway. It blends. If the wind blows back, I still have curls. And if you're worried about your edges, whatever edge gel works for you, especially on clean hair, I can sleek my edges back to where it blends, and so all you see are curls. So yeah, this is the combo that works for me. So because I want my ponytail to look as natural as possible, I'm combing the base of the extensions, of the crochet extensions, as flat as I can get it while it's still wet, damp, or what have you, because once it dries, the roots are going to swell and it's going to be hard to style it. So I couldn't find a black hair tie, so I'm working with what I got. Alright, thanks for staying with me, love. This is how to care for this curly crochet hair. Have a blessed week.